So we have a 2021 CX-30. We have the wrench light, service past due light is on. This is the same steps for the Mazda 3. So over here in our infotainment center, and we're going to use our turn dial here. Also possibly our back button, and when you push down on this, it's a select. So up here, we're going to roll that dial. We're going to go to information. Then we're going to go to vehicle status monitor. Then we're going to go down to vehicle maintenance settings. Right now it's in manual mode. Next service date is the 12th month, the first day of 2022. So we're going to want to change that. So we're going to go select the year because we're going to be rolling into 2023 there soon. So we're going to preset their date. So it's 2023. We will do a 6-month interval. So we are September. So we'll go October, November, December, January, February, March. So we'll go to March, 3rd month, to set this one for manual. We're going to go back and we can, we'll do the 10th day. Well, I guess we're the 9th today. So we'll do the 9th. There. So we'll back out again. So that's when it's set to. So as you can see, the wrench light is still on. Okay, we'll go 8,000. There. Okay, so since it was already, we went and we did the reset, you have to select the actual 8,000. So now that we did that, our maintenance light went out and we're good to go. So make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.